My man Spencer X, an incredibly talented beatboxer, was in town for the holidays and wanted to surprise his wonderful foodie family with a fun Italian meal. And we started with a little antipasti, some beautiful 18-month prosciutto with some amazing fresh mozzarella, a little aged balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil, and some flaky salt.
Maldon sea salt or some flaky salt?
Some cook named Matt salt.
Some cook named Matt salt. Shout out to cook named Matt.
Moving on to the pizza course and the pasta course, Spencer requested a white pie and a carbonara, which his father loves. Start by cracking the egg yolks and crisping up the pancetta, and then on to the pizza.
Let's go!
I mean, you gotta love the enthusiasm. Now, in New York, white pie is generally mozzarella, pecorino, and ricotta, maybe a white sauce. So I stick to those basic principles, but I wanted to amp it up a little bit, so I brought this garlic oil, which I made everyone smell.
Holy shit. Whoa!
Pizza goes into the oven, and we start to move on to our carbonara. With an attentive audience, I had the pecorino and parmigiano mix, along with black pepper and some of the pancetta fat to get the carbonara sauce started. We talked a lot about the actual quality of pasta itself. The pizza was done, so let's get that served up. And let me tell you, these guys love some fucking pizza.
Whoa!
Then we just whip up a beautiful little easy arugula salad with some shaved white cow Parmigiano Reggiano, some flaky salt, aged balsamic vinegar, a little squeeze of lemon juice, and some extra virgin olive oil. Everyone gets a little salad, and then I'm on to making the carbonara. I use the pot as a double boiler with the sauce cooking up top while the pasta cooks beneath. Drain the pasta, add it to the sauce, add some of the pancetta, marry that sauce with the pasta, and then it's time to plate. A little bit of the cheese on top, a little pancetta, a little black pepper. And dinner was served. Buon appetito.
Woo! Let's go! Ooh, this is such a beautiful dish.
Hey, thanks, Spencer. All right, we got one more little surprise, guys.
Oh, they're cannolis! I love cannolis.
It was a beautiful dinner.